Stop using boring circle frames. Here's how to make your photo burst through the wall like this in Canva in under 2 minutes. First, open your Canva and then click Create. I will choose Instagram post. Go to element. And then add this element, paintbrush stroke. I will rotate to the right like this and place it here. And then I will duplicate. I will move it here. Duplicate again, and I will move it here. And then duplicate. I will reduce the size and place it here. Duplicate again and place it here. Another duplicating, I will reduce the size, place here, and duplicate this. I will place it here. I will select them all and reduce a little and place kind of in the center. All right, and then I will download it with transparent background and then click download. Now add the background that you want. For example, I will add this wall texture background and then I will place it here, increase the size to fit the page, and then I will download it. Click download. All right, now you can remove all these elements and then upload 2 images that we just download. Select the wall, go to apps and type here cutout, enter. Choose image cutout maker. Now select the brush element, scroll down here, click image and click use selected image. And then scroll up and increase the size of it to fit the wall element. Now remove all this element, scroll down here and click add to design. Now you have the frame. And then click edit, scroll down to shadow and then just drop. Click once again. I will add the intensity. I will reduce the distance. And then I will move it here and increase the size like this. Now upload your photo. For example, I will add this photo. And I will increase the size. And then send to back. Can adjust the position or also the size. And then you can add your signature. Just click tools and click signature. Create new signature. Type your name here. You can change the font. For example, I will choose this one. Click add signature. I will place it here. And then I just want to add some number, for example, a date. Add signature. It is the size. I will place it here. I will rotate. Okay. And then click share, download, and click download and share to your social media. So now we have it. Please hit the like button if you like this tutorial. See you next video and have fun with Canva.